want to see a fat nigga fall.
He got a dragon on his core for a reason, bro. What's up, Drippy Gang? It's Cali creaming. It's the time. It's too early. To be honest, I've been up since like 4:30 a.m. I didn't get to go to sleep until like what, 2, 1:30? I don't fucking know, some shit like that. Around 3. Yeah. If you guys seen the last video, you guys will know. But let me clean y'all off again. I keep doing that. We're on the way to get the car. Hopefully it's done. We've been up all night packaging clothing, the sweaters. Here, I'm not even trying to talk that much, to be honest. I want this video to be vibey, super fun. Right now it's in the morning, so energy is off. But I'm trying my best to stay awake for y'all. But as of right now, going on leash, pick up the car, drop it off at the fairgrounds, come back and try my best to get all the clothing and stuff. It's hard when clothing, you know, gets done last minute, but it's good. You know, stay positive and push out. So right now, we got a lot of shit to do. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. Hopefully I don't get yelled at. We are running late, so it is what it is. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So, bad news already. Lip ripped off.
Just rip it out.
Nah, I can't because that shit's gonna rip off the actual lip.
You got tape?
Huh?
Any of you have tape? You can put tape around it till we get there.
I don't know.
Huh? Yeah, I don't know if you got enough. If you have enough zip ties, we could put it one in the middle.
I don't know. It's good. We'll just take it off for the show. But yeah, on the way to the show, you guys.
Shoot it right in front of, right into his front end.
Honestly, I think we'll be good because the right side is holding up. I have to drive slow, you guys. Stay positive though, y'all. Stay positive. Alright, y'all, so we finally officially pulled up and happy we're parked. Obviously we showed up late, so we're parked outside, which I don't blame them. We have to come outside if we show up late. But as long as we're here, now you guys are gonna see, try to get as much action and see if everybody is lit and stuff like that. Just gotta find the pavement booth, and I gotta find the mafia booth, and honestly find out where everybody's at. I still gotta go get my clothing. My clothing's on the way. I gotta go take it to the unleash booth and hopefully we sell with stuff like that. Yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But I have the external mic I got from Forectic, so he's letting me borrow right now. He didn't let me cut his hair, guys. He didn't let me cut his hair.
No, we're not doing it.
He's been busy, I'm telling you, in Spiroworks. So right now he was doing his headliners and stuff. And honestly forgot about me.
It's the best. Hey, if you don't go get your merch, bro, I don't know what the fuck y'all doing. I still need. You got merch for me right now?
They didn't let me bring it in. Bro, I'm telling you, I didn't tell you. I gotta tell Vlog too. They checked my car 7 times to trying to find my gun.
What the fuck?
Yes, bro. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but you guys enjoy this, man. There's a lot of, this is just one part of Mafia's area. There's a whole bunch of fire cars here. Finally decides to show up, y'all. They both had me struggling by myself for the longest.
What's up, YouTube? We here.
Because they wanted some more sleep.
Actually, I didn't sleep. I needed it. That was an hour.
You were sleeping the whole time?
Nah, I stayed up for like 2 hours and then went to sleep for 1.
Cap. But this is a little bit of venues too. Supposedly 302 Coyotes pulled up about 70 cars deep, bro.
Damn.
70 cars deep.
One time, all
So I guess it's a whole chapter, that's why. It comes from like North Cal, Soul Cal, and all that. I guess they all pulled up. But, hey, guess what? Jathan, no more traffic. You guys, they have everything here right now. They got muscle cars, Beamers, freaking minivans. I would love this, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. A VIP minivans? Straight fucking gas. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually sad about my car, bro.
It's okay.
I did dirty with paint. On my way here, we found the situation, well, solution, better way to say it.
And then they found a problem.
And then we fucking crack my fucking lip coming here. And then I get fucking harassed.
7 times. That shit OD. 7 times.
Now my car looks like a plain Jane. Plain Jane, bro. Like no kids. No kizzy. No kizzy. So I'm gonna come back harder, y'all. New rap. I'm gonna do a lot of shit to the car. For sure, doing a lot of shit to the car. So stay tuned to it. I'm honestly tired of. I'm actually tired of the red now. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not even gonna lie to Drippy Gang, bro. I'm tired of the red. Just because people think I'm a. Hey, yo! Alright, break time, you guys. I don't know what's going on outside, but break time for sure. What'd you get? Damn, his shit looks spicy.
You got spicy flavor? Spicy garlic fries. I got beef chicken wrap with fries. You got beef shawarma.
I don't even know what this is, but it looks fire. I ain't even hold you. Grab up!
Hell yeah, you got
Bucky! Bucky!
Bro, do we even have room for 11 runners?
We'll make room. We got a donation coming in. Yep. Appreciate you. Thank you very much.
She has cash.
Okay, let me see. Let me measure you, brother.
Let's see. Hit that 360.
I want to see a fat nigga fall.
Dead ass.
I want to see a big.
South Shore Showdown just donated.
Alright, y'all, just for y'all, we're up and personal. We're right next to it. I'm gonna try to get the best I can.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Alright, before you fire it up, please.
I got 100 questions about this event.
My dad got a GTR!
Make sure you guys are parked or in neutral. He breaks up.
Ooh, bro, I'm not ready for this. I haven't had this in a long time.
That's what she said.
Hey, Dick! You looking kind of thick right there.
You guys ready?
Please don't disappoint me. Oh!
There we go. All right.
Fuck, I'm scared, bro. He got a dragon on his car for a reason, bro.
Easy.
Oh, shit. He has a dragon on his car for a reason.
Excuse me, bro.
Oh, he got a toe hook. watch this one. Watch this one, bro. My ears is ringing. My shit hitting the beatbox right now in my ear. Yeah. Together. Hey, what does this car make?
Shit, 707 horsepower.
What sound does it make?
That's a whale.
I can't hear it.
Stop it. Get some help.
I failed my viewers. I can't get it, y'all. I failed y'all. Look at this. There's a bunch of vultures. I failed y'all. You're gonna do it over here too. Huh? He's gonna do it over here. Hopefully.
knock the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck up you.
To be honest, I don't know if it's that serious, but everybody keeps acting like it's. I don't know.
Disappeared, bro. What happened?
In the front.
Oh, he was in the front. Yeah, I was looking. I was making sure he was straight.
I was in the front the whole time, but I got good content for y'all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stay tuned for the reels, y'all.
Up close and
Stay
personal.
tuned for the reels. I got some reels for y'all right here.
Up close and personal for y'all.
Alright, y'all. I know. You guys are probably like, oh, Drippy is ending the vlog. I am. Sorry. At least I ended it with a banger. But, I mean, the guys are getting something to eat. Huh? I just fed the ground. You fed the ground? Yeah, the dry tip. A dry trip? Dry tip. He said dry tip.
Does it look smack or what?
Does it look good? I put them on, y'all.
I'm good.
Doghouse Grilled in Fresno. But KG's first time too. We got the Beamers. Jose, Fonzie, cousin Amron, Romeo, Aunt, Hugo, Kennedy. I'm naming everybody. Chindo, Kev, and James, and Peanut. Hope you guys liked the video. 100K subscribers. I'm going fully built Pro Charger on the 5.7 and probably get a CTSV. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, y'all. And don't forget to watch the video all the way to the end. It helps me out with the algorithm. Peace out. Love y'all. Peace out, Drippy Gang.
I can make any nigga hit the grip, I'ma let my